Tonight everyone, I am broadcaster Mr. Chen. Welcome to the Zhongyuan News. Let's look through the following news. The first news is the 2-1 ship.
Hello, I am Jia Hao Li. Today I want to introduce this 2-1 ship. Rumors say it and the Euro semester's grades will fall. But this rumor credibility to rely on you to prove. Incidentally, I had to sit this ship 1 year ago, and my semester's grade was falling. Thank you.
Today I want to introduce the poor in Hardistic Education Village. This is a popular place for students. When their birthday, they will be thrown into the pool and God waste. You may not know, the pool smells very smelly. This is the method they celebrate birthdays. Although today is not my birthday, but I jump into the pool for you. That's the last news update. Stay tuned for more on Zhongyuan News. Thank you. You're watching tonight. Wish you have a nice day.